Hey guys, welcome to Investing with Jess, Retire Early. So I hope everyone's doing great. It's Friday, October 10, 2025, and I know that you are maybe preparing for the weekend if you have some parties or just to relax. So in today's video, guys, I'm excited to let you know that I have made my own AI supported market indicators that will tell me if the overall market is in a bullish or bearish condition. And at the same time, there are some stages on what I should do at this current market condition. And the most important is I have added a feature that will tell me the early buyback indicator. So if you are interested in this kind of information, I would really appreciate if you will subscribe to this channel and share this to your friends or families who are also looking for some information that might help them in their investing. I just wanna make sure and let you know that this is not a financial advice. I'm just making some effort that help me in my investing decision, but of course it always depends on our own situation. And make sure that you do your own diligence. Make sure that you are making research of the companies and stocks that you're investing in. Don't rely on this kind of indicators. It's just giving us a hint, but it's not really an official financial advice. So please make sure that you have your own research as well. Today, guys, my AI supported system is telling me that we are entering in a bearish market. So why we are in a bearish market? First, the VIX or VIX indicator is giving us telling us a value of 21.66. So maybe some of you guys already know that if the VIX is more than 20, that's one of the hints that the market is started to slow down or say bearish. And then the put or call ratio is 1.89, and with a combination of market breadth, it's 54%. So then the index versus moving averages. So the S&P 500 is 6,552, and then the 50-day moving average is 6,529, and then 200-day moving average is 6,049. So those are the indicators or criteria that uh, have been used by this AI based on the overall or uh, general criteria to identify the market sentiment. So again, my system is saying that we are entering the bearish market. So not only by saying that the indicator says that the bearish market, so it tells me that we are in the stage one, meaning to prepare or to have some profit taking. Of course, it depends on your strategy, but that is the first indicator that's telling me about the being bearish market. Okay, now I have added a feature like what I said, that is an early buyback indicator, meaning this will actually tell me if, let's say today, even if the market says bearish, I mean that indicator said bearish market, at least of course as an investor we would like to know when could be the, if it's not the best, but at least most having a high probability to enter or buy position against stocks to take advantage of the potential reversal of the trend. Okay, so my early buyback indicators just telling me that there's no early indicator at this time, of course, because maybe the market bearish condition is just getting started. So definitely the early buyback indicator is still not activated. So I'm waiting for this signal. If it's going to tell me, let's say, moderate signal or strong signal, then I will try to test buy some of the position of the stocks that I believe will have really a good future growth and strong fundamentals. I'm really excited about this new feature about early buyback because I think most of us as an investor would like to know. Of course, it's not a perfect, right? We don't know what's really the perfect timing to buy back stocks, but if we have some hints on when could be the better timing to add few shares at least, if not, we're not going to, of course, buy, uh, you know, a lot of shares of a certain company if we are not 100% sure. So my strategy is once this early buyback indicator tells me some, let's say, moderate signal or even strong signal, then I will test to buy some position again and see whether the trend really is going to my favor in terms of the indicator. So I think this is a really good to watch, guys. So again, if you are interested in this kind of information and you think you want to see how it works in my investment, please follow the channel, and I will give you an update by next week. So this actually AI supported system is keeps refreshing every day, and because I'm using this to give me an idea whether the market condition is still bearish or we are started to turn into bullish condition. So I'm really looking for this kind of indicators for the long time, but it's really good that we have the AI who which will make our life easier in terms of creating a system and giving a criteria on how to really identify some indicators that will give us a hint on when to take some profit and when we could buy back again in the stocks market. So I hope this video will help you in your investment. The goal of this channel is to grow our portfolio in stocks, and of course I have some long-term investment that I'm not really taking some profit. That's for long-term, saying about 5 years to 10 years investment. But sometimes I also pick some of the good stocks for swing trade. um, I'm going to share to you in some other videos what are the top stocks for my swing trade. But for this video, I just want to share with you guys my AI supported market indicator, so that at least in the next week, if I'm going to give you an update, you can have some information what's going to be the my AI system is telling me whether we are still in the bearish market and at what stage of the bearish market we are. Are we on stage one, profit taking, or we are on the stage two, meaning the market is really weakening and we need to do some partial exit, and the third is really a sell off trigger. So I'm gonna give you those updates, guys, in the next week, so that you'll have an idea, and of course we'll see really how the AI indicator is. Of course it may not be 100% accurate, but if it's going to give some good information and tries to predict the market condition, then this will be a good tool for us, guys. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Again, if you are new to this channel, welcome to Investing with Jess. Retire early, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. And if you are my existing subscriber, thank you very much for keep watching, and I hope always for the growth of your portfolio. So I'll talk to you in my next video. God bless.